back, Seekers. My name is OmniFlash, and I am your guide to the perfect world. But first, I am giving away a $25 iTunes Go Play gift card. In order to enter to win, you just have to like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment below. Drawing is on September 15, 2019. Today's video will be about 6 things. Should get you from level 0 all the way up to level 30 once you're finished. You want to know what class should you be, what guild you should join, what life skills you should get, how to make money in the stall, how to make money off of auction, and also the paperclip of Villa and how to get your first pet Eidolon. So you want to play Perfect World Mobile, but you don't know what class is perfect for you. If you like to be up close and personal and in that boss's face, then you should be a tank. If you like dealing damage, but not a ton of damage, but being able to take a beating, that's what you're all about, then you should be a tank. The tank in Perfect World Mobile is the Barbarian. You can turn into a tiger. If you like turning into a tiger, that is the class you should be. If you like being up close and personal, but you want to deal the most damage, you want to top the charts in damage, you should be a Blade Master. If you like having a spear and 2 axes, you should be a Blade Master. What if your tank dies? If somehow your tank lags out and dies, and you want to save the team, you can be a Blade Master. You can be an off tank. You can tank temporarily until your main tank is rezzed. Do you like to heal? Do you like to dispel? Do you like to res your party? You have the most important role in a dungeon party. If you lag out, your team will die. If a DPS lags out, your team will just fight longer. If you like to be the main role and if you don't trust other clerics to heal you, you should be a cleric. Do you like dealing a ton of damage? Throwing mountains at people, throwing fireballs at people, and not being gender locked. You can be a male or a female wizard. Do you like dealing a ton of magic damage? You should be a wizard. Do you like being able to move around and not have long cast times but still do damage? You should be an archer. Archers generally have shorter cooldowns but deal slightly less damage than wizards. Do go check out my other guides. My class guides will tell you all the skills that each class has available right now, so you can see what type of skills that each class has and decide what class you should be. It's very important to get the right class or you won't like the gameplay. If you like being in the fray, Barbarian or Blade Master. If you like having a longer range, Wizard or Archer. If you like not failing dungeons as often, you can be a tank or a cleric. Then you can control whether that tank or cleric is AFK or not. If you are online as a tank or a cleric, you are not going to mess up that party because you know that you're going to do your job. I personally decided on being a cleric main so I can do my dungeons easier. I have an archer as an alt, which will be in my parties, but my archer can AFK and I can control both characters at the same time. So after choosing your class, go ahead and do all your quests. Go all the way up to be about level 18. You will see in your bag some of those prizes that I just opened, like the otter mount or the new costume. You can put those on. But next, very importantly, you have to choose a guild. At around level 19, level 20. At level 20, you can actually talk to the guild leader. By choosing a guild, you can talk to the guild leader. There's 3 dots besides the guild leader's name, and you can whisper them and say, hey, how are you? My name is whatever. I like playing, what times of day, what type of guild I want to join, how often I play, and you can do it at level 20. At level 19 you can't actually whisper people, so at level 20 you can whisper the guild and you can tell them that, you know, I need an open spot, I like to join, and you can apply to the guild. I personally joined Nightmares. They have a Discord server, so you can either find a guild that speaks your language and has a Discord or a line server, some sort of outside chat that you can communicate and coordinate things with. Then that would be great, and you will be able to see that most of these manifestos on the guilds will allow you to join their Discord or contact the guild leader some way to find out if that guild is right for you. It is very important to join a guild right away, because without joining a guild you cannot do guild quests and you cannot gain life skill points. Without life skill points you cannot make money, you cannot get life skills, you are stuck. Alright, second of all, while you're waiting for the guild leader to let you in, you can contemplate on why your main nemesis, the masked man, looks like a woman. And after you stay confused and wonder why she's a woman or a man, you can join the guild. So after about 2 hours, my guild leader let me in. Once you're in the guild, you have to go and do the guild quest. Do your guild quest as quickly as possible, as fast as you can. Once you do complete all the guild quests that you can do, you gain lots of experience. It'll level you up. Plus, mainly, you'll get guild points. The guild points will allow you to do life skills, which we'll do next. Life skills are very important. With life skills, you can make potions. You can make food and potions so that you will heal. In Perfect World Mobile, you will not heal yourself. There is no HP, there is no MP regen. In order to heal or to regain MP, you have to drink, eat food, drink soup, and use potions. You can either get overcharged by the in-game store, or you can make your own potions and your own food. I recommend that you put 1 skill point in all of your life skills. There is the luck skill, which lets you drop more items, but that is secondary because that is so random you can't really tell if you are actually getting a benefit. If you make your own potions, make your own gold, you are saving gold, saving potions all the time, and you can tell how much you are saving. Also, if you put it into HP, that is good for tanks but not so good for any other class. I recommend one point into fishing, 1 point into gathering, and then you have to decide whether you want to focus on fishing or focus on gathering. On my archer, I will be focusing on gathering, and I will level that up all the way up to like level 100 eventually. But right now I am starting out as level 1, and I'm going to try to rush level 10, rush level 20. Once you hit those hallmark points, level 10, level 20, you can gather even better veggies, and those sell better, and those you can make better potions, you can make better food. After you get some amount of gathering, get you to level 10 or level 20 gathering, once you get those hallmarks, I would try to get level 10 cooking. Once you have level 10 cooking, you can start cooking some decent MP and HP food, and you will want to set those aside for yourself, and then you can sell all of the higher grade materials and to make some gold, so you can buy pets, you can buy skills and other things out of the stall. I recommend you get cooking first before you get the making potions and alchemy, because I use a lot of food all day, all night, and I only use potions mostly in PvP when you need that extra burst of HP or MP. You should start gathering right away. Gathering and making potions, making food takes action points. Your AP is regen when you do dungeons, when you do your quests and everything. So every time you gain some action points, go ahead and gather some veggies like what I'm doing, all you have to do is hit that go button when you're in the gathering section, and it will automatically fly towards those veggies and start gathering. Use up all your AP and you can start making yourself some food. I don't really need any food right now, so I am going to sell that food on the stall and start making gold. You want to use your AP immediately. You want to sell on the stall immediately, because the first person who sells will have the ability to sell it for a higher price. Because as the day goes on, as more people put up more veggies to sell, the price will continue to drop. Because whenever you want something to sell, you have to undercut the other person, so you have to set the price a little bit lower than the next person. But that continues, you will make considerably less profit if you sell at night than if you sell early in the morning. Alright, so I have my veggies. I am going to the stall and I'm going to click on sell, and I'm going to try to sell my vegetables. You see, right now it's already night and the veggies are selling for only 3 coins. I would just sell for 3 coins. 2 coins may not be advisable, but you can sell for 2 coins. Sell it so at the lowest price or a little bit lower than lowest price. But right now it's at night, so the price has already dropped so much. Do try to sell your stuff in the mornings to get a better price. At night, people are about to sleep. I'm doing this at night on my archer because I just leveled up my archer right now just to be able to make this guide. On my cleric, I sold my veggies early and I made so much more money. So yes, I urge you to gather and sell in the mornings and not at night. Next up, if you click on events, you can go to paperclip of Villa as a daily event. You got to do this for EXP, and you definitely have to do it on the first day so that you can climb your level and max out the EXP for the day. And also you can get soul stones to socket into your equipment, so be sure to do paperclip for a villa. As you're doing paperclip of a villa, click on, there should be a quest up for Eidolon Merchant, and the Eidolon Merchant will give you a free Eidolon. This is your throwaway Eidolon, so just equip it, click fight so that it's equipped and use it. But in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to get more Eidolons and better one. So I'll see you next time.